Rubaya! Land of hope. North Kivu is rising again. Hearts are beating slowly. Congo is crying out for peace.
Mother Congo is no longer crying. The children are returning home. Signs of victory are appearing.
Rubaya, liberated. Return with honor. On the roads of Masisi, people stood waiting. Mothers were clapping their hands. Little children were shouting loudly. Wazalendo,
You have come.
Hearts were filled with joy. Strangers can no longer steal again. The land of our ancestors is calling through the blood of Congo's heroes.
Rubaya is the heart of riches. Coltan, copper, precious minerals. But above all, the people want peace, because life is greater than everything.
We are tired of war.
Tired of the suffering in our land.
We want children and the Congo flag to rise proudly.
Rubaya liberated.
FARDC and Wazalendo.
Rubaya liberated.
North Kivu is shouting loudly.
Rubaya liberated.
Congo will rise again.
Rubaya liberated.
The land of Congo belongs to its people. Peace, unity, sovereignty. We will never abandon them. Oh, Mother Congo, be calm. The time of victory has arrived. Have returned for the republic. Ha, ha, ha. Mothers cook food for the soldiers. Young people were singing in the streets. Everyone carried hope again, like the sunrise returning after darkness. Rubaya is a symbol of resistance. This land belongs to Congolese people. Heroes are protecting it with courage and unity.
I hear the sound of freedom across the mountains of North Kivu. Slowly, softly, gently, hearts are coming back to life.
Come on, chill.
Children of Congo stand together. Do not divide because of politics.
The nation is greater than everything. We will protect it with love.
Rubaya liberated.
FARDC and Wazalendo.
Rubaya liberated.
North Kivu is shouting loudly.
Rubaya liberated.
Congo will rise again.
Rubaya liberated.
The land of Congo belongs to its people. Peace, unity, sovereignty. We will never abandon them. Oh! Rise up, North Kivu. Rise up. Rubaya is shining brightly like a star of hope. People of Congo, we refuse to live in fear anymore. Peace is the right of every people. Rubaya is a symbol of hope.
We pray for the children, for the mothers, for the future of the Democratic Republic of Congo.